Now we are going to start very important lecture selection of the design asphalt content. Before I start explaining this design asphalt content, you should keep this in mind. In all my previous video, we have done two things. Number one, we have selected the blend 1 as acceptable design aggregate structure. And how we have done this based on asphalt binder estimation. Which is PB asphalt binder percentage EST mean estimation. Because in my previous lectures I have explained to you in detail that which binder content is going to satisfy the requirement of the mix design, and that binder content and upon which set of aggregate the properties are being fulfilled, and that property was by the blend 1, and whatever the binder content was coming at this stage, that is known as our estimator defined asphalt content. Over here, before I go further, let me tell you, this binder estimation is taken as 4.6%. Now, with reference to this 4.6%, we will try to evaluate DAC, design asphalt content. Means we have to reach to that asphalt content which we will use for our final selection of the mix design at 4% air voids. Now the question arises, how will we do this one? Question is very simple. We will have to take 4 binder content values. Binder content values. Which are those 4 values? Plus or minus 0.1 and 1%. How will we do this one? This is being studied with reference to this PB estimate. How will we do it? Question is next. Now I will just tell you. You see PB EST minus 0.5. It means 4.6, which we have already calculated, minus 0.5, it gives us the value 4.1%. It means we will develop the mix design by using 4.1% binder. Second, PBEST plus 0, 4.6 plus 0, it would be equal to 4.6%. Third one, PBEST plus 0.5, 4.6 plus 0.5, it will give us 5.1%. At the last, PBEST plus 1, it means 4.6 plus 1, it will give us 5.6%. So these are 4 which I have already told you. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are our 4 asphalt binder contents. these 4 asphalt binder content will be mixed with the aggregate being taken in blend 1. I will just show you the blend 1, then it would become, you see, first of all, you keep this in mind. This amount of the asphalt content will be mixed with the blend 1. This amount of asphalt will be mixed with the blend 1. This amount of asphalt will be mixed with blend 1, and similarly this. All 4. Now, before I go further, let me tell you, just for your information, that what was our blend 1. So, it is just a gradation, and I will give you its combined aggregate gradation of this blend 1 for your understanding. You know, in the Superpave mix design, we have this 19, 12.5, 9.5, 4.75, 2.36, 1.18, 0.6, 0.3, 0.15 and 0.075. These are the sieves. Mm. And how much is the passing material? It is 100%, it is 99%, it is 82%, 63%, 43%, 18, 12, 7, 4 and 3.5. This is the passing percentage about our design aggregate structure as a blend 1. Now here I would like to tell you that with this design aggregate structure, I need this quantity many times, P 0.0575, 3.5%. It is very, very mandatory. You will have to keep this in mind. And second, with this design aggregate structure, we have formed combined bulk specific gravity, which is equal to 2.869. This we have done in our previous lectures. So these two quantities are very, very mandatory. That's why I have drawn this table again for your understanding. So next, whenever we will go on making our binder and aggregate combination. So keep this in mind, binder plus aggregate combination, it means hot mixed asphalt should be taken as 4700 gram. So this is our preliminary introduction. Now, what will I do with this blend and with this amount of our binder content? I will show you in very next video in very short way. Thank you for seeing this.